Happy Monday. So, am I perfect? Absolutely not. Has life been peaches and cream? Certainly not. I know what it's like to work consistently in my industry, in entertainment, and I know what it's like to be without a job. And the only thing that has gotten me through any of those moments, the ups and downs, has been a relationship with God, number one, and the tools that I share with you guys every single week. They're not just some willy-nilly ideas that I pulled out of the sky and said, let's see if this works. Not at all. They are actually lifestyle choices that I've made and I've seen make a difference in my life. Every single week, I see Facebook comments and posts from family and friends, and I empathize with you guys. And for a lot of you, I know exactly where you are. So if I can help share some tools with you that have helped me, then so be it. We need each other. We really, really do. So I hope you guys continue to like these posts. Live out loud, on purpose, and unapologetically, and I will see you later.